I noticed a lot of people, a lot of the public works departments trying to clean out the storm drains today because you have all this rain coming tomorrow.
And between that and the melting, Eric, we have the potential for some flooding in places.
There'll be a lot of water across the area tomorrow, no question. Today was a good day to start to chip away some of that ice and snow, clear those drains. Great way to spend this afternoon. Temperatures were warmer. The ice loosened up a little bit. Also watch for any falling ice off the buildings and cars. Saw quite a bit of that today as well. And temperatures will be warming as the night goes on. Right now it's 10 to 25 degrees warmer than this time last night at 6 o'clock. It's 42 in Boston, 43 in Plymouth, 39 in Fitchburg. Temperatures are still chilly in a few pockets here in central Mass in southwestern New Hampshire. There may even be a little thin glaze of ice. Sometimes freezing air can be right at that ground level, even though the temperatures, which are at about 6 feet, are showing it a little bit warmer. So across northern Worcester County, southwestern New Hampshire, just watch out for the next couple of hours. Otherwise, it is a deep tug of southerly air moving right up the eastern seaboard. High pressure over toward Bermuda. And this is a situation where, sometimes in winter that cold holds on across the interior. I don't think that's going to be the case here. Southerly winds are going to push that warm air right on up, even into southern New Hampshire tomorrow. So tonight, the temperatures will be on the rise with a few rain showers, especially after midnight. And as that moisture starts to work in, we'll see a lot of fog development overnight tonight. That fog is very efficient at eating up some of the snow and ice. So this is going to be a pretty big meltdown across the area. As for those temperatures, again, climbing through the 40s gradually overnight. By tomorrow morning, we're around 50 degrees in the Boston area, and the rain showers will be starting to become more numerous as we head toward the commute. The real heavy rainfall mid-morning through the afternoon. A band will be moving from west to east. Some thunder and lightning may be mixed in here. Those temperatures climbing up through the 50s. And there's about 1 to 2 inches of water that's locked up in the snowpack. So add that to 1 to 2 inches of rain and a frozen ground. There's not a lot of ability for this water to run off. It is going to be a messy day. And by 6 o'clock, the last of that rain should be starting to move off toward the east. Looks like, again, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. There may be a few localized higher amounts, especially toward the western slopes of Worcester County. As we get into those hills, a little upslope there could bring you some of the highest rain totals for this one. Winds will be gusty. Usually, when we have a system like this, the winds tend to be just above our head a little bit. So we're looking at the peak winds at 30 to 45 miles per hour, but some gusts up to 55 will be possible in southeastern Mass. Temperatures, again, way up into the 50s. A few towns may even touch 60. It's just shy of record territory, which is wild because we just had record cold on Monday. 3 days later, this is what we're looking at across the region. Tomorrow night, things will freeze up again. It won't be a flash freeze, but as we head into the evening, temperatures will drop. So the good thing to do would be to lay down a little salt or sand after the rain ends, and that will keep things in good shape for Friday morning's commute. So here's a look at your full 7-day. We're up around 40 on Friday, so there'll be some additional melting. A chilly day on Saturday, but seasonably so, and some snow showers are possible on Sunday. David and Lisa, back to you.
All right, Eric, thank you.